Hi Abdi, this is your news. So fit you here, hint me, is a Brigg atween England and Scotland. So on the side I'm starting on now is Costram in Scotland, and the other side it's England and Cornhill. So you micht winner, again, fit my dean going up and down the country, again, I'm a buck and loon, fit my dean down the borders. Well, I used to bide in Costram. That's fit why again I'm familiar with Scots for out of Scotland. Well, not for out of Scotland, but again, at least for the borders as well as Aberdeenshire. And I've been spearing at folk, going to ken the braw news that Scots is an official lead of Scotland. First twa folk I speared at in Costram didn't ken. I'll be spearing at a few more folk to see if it think, and they'll let them ken about your news. So if you want Scots news, come along and read your news. Again, not only is Scots an official lead of Scotland, we now hae a website only doing news in Scots. So come along and read it. Again, if it's our bread for you, we hae an English version of that. Again, you can flit between the two of them as a bit of a learning exercise for yourself. And if you're good at Scots, give me some feedback about it. Again, I'm metlin after bigging a high quality training data set for Scots translations. That's something to deal with, and I'm wanting folks' feedback about it. But aye, yeah, like and follow your news from here.